6 vitamins to boost circulation in legs and feet. Welcome to our fascinating journey into the world of health and wellness, where today we're going to delve deep into an issue that impacts millions across the globe: circulation in our legs and feet. In our daily hustle and bustle, it's all too easy to take for granted the intricate dance of blood flow that keeps our bodies running smoothly, particularly in our lower extremities. But did you know that healthy circulation can play a significant role in our overall well-being and even our quality of life? What if I told you that there is a surprising yet straightforward way to improve circulation in your legs and feet, which doesn't involve expensive medical procedures or time-consuming exercise routines? Today we will explore a tantalizing solution hidden in plain sight: the power of vitamins and minerals. In this video, we will unearth 6 specific nutrients that can be the secret keys to unlock improved circulation. By the end of this video, not only will you be better informed, but you'll also be equipped to take actionable steps toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Are you ready to venture into this exciting, often overlooked world of nutritional wellness for better circulation? Let's dive in. Stay with us as we shed light on each of these 6 vitamins and minerals, explaining their roles, the best food sources to find them in, and the science behind their circulatory benefits. Buckle up, because this is a journey you wouldn't want to miss. 1. Vitamin C. Let's dive into the realm of the miraculous nutrient that kicks off our list, vitamin C. The C here could just as well stand for circulation, but alas, it was christened for its ability to ward off scurvy, a condition faced by sailors in ancient times. But hey, who says old sea dogs can't teach us new tricks? Vitamin C, known in scientific circles as ascorbic acid, is renowned for its health-boosting abilities. From brightening your skin to fortifying your immune system, this little gem is a multitasker that your body will thank you for. But let's zero in on its ability to keep your blood flowing, particularly to your legs and feet. You see, vitamin C is essential in the production of collagen, a crucial component of our blood vessels. With a healthy dose of vitamin C, your blood vessels get a great collagen boost, becoming stronger and more flexible. Think of it like adding premium quality rubber to a garden hose. It helps the water flow smoothly, right? Similarly, when blood vessels are flexible, blood flow improves. But wait, there's more. Vitamin C is also a potent antioxidant. In the wild world of your body, these antioxidants are the superheroes swooping in to combat harmful substances known as free radicals. When left unchecked, free radicals can lead to a condition called oxidative stress, which is as villainous as it sounds. This villain can damage your blood vessels and affect blood flow. However, with vitamin C to the rescue, these villains are kept at bay and your blood vessels remain healthy. On a side note, if you're seeking an immunity boost or trying to keep those wrinkles away, this vitamin is your go-to companion. Its collagen production power isn't just good for your blood vessels, it also keeps your skin plump and youthful. Plus, it's got your back, or rather your immune cells, when it comes to fighting off that pesky cold. Now, for the million-dollar question, how much vitamin C should you incorporate into your daily routine? According to the National Institutes of Health, men should aim for about 90 milligrams per day, while women should aim for about 75 milligrams per day. That's about the equivalent of a medium-sized orange, so you can ditch those scurvy worries along with the sea captains of old. Do remember that while vitamin C is a fantastic nutrient, it's not a magic potion. Too much of it can cause problems like diarrhea, nausea, and stomach cramps. So keep it balanced and let the C work its magic on your circulation in the most comfortable, health-friendly way possible. And there you have it, the first of our 6 wonder nutrients. Next time you see an orange, remember it's not just a piece of fruit, it's a ticket to improved circulation. Now isn't that a juicy thought? 2. Niacin. Now let's turn our attention to a nutrient that might not be as famous as our old friend vitamin C, but it surely packs a punch in the health department. Meet niacin, also known as vitamin B3. It may not be the life of the party at first glance, but trust me, it's one of those subtle friends who make everything better without making a big fuss about it. Starting with its impact on circulation, niacin is a maestro at conducting the beautiful symphony that is your bloodstream. How does it do it? It acts as a natural vasodilator. Now don't let that fancy term scare you away. Vasodilator simply means that it helps widen or dilate your blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow through them. Imagine the traffic on a 1-lane highway suddenly getting 4 lanes. That's what niacin does for your bloodstream. The result? Improved circulation, particularly in areas that are farther from the heart, like your legs and feet. But niacin doesn't stop there. It has a host of other benefits that make it a strong contender in our list of health-boosting nutrients. A significant one is its role in maintaining healthy skin. So while it's keeping your blood flowing smoothly, it's also helping you maintain that youthful glow. Now, who wouldn't want that? Next, let's talk about cholesterol, the notorious villain in many a health story. Niacin steps up here too, helping to lower bad cholesterol levels while raising the good ones. And guess what? This in turn contributes to improving blood circulation as well. It's a full circle. But that's not all. Vitamin B3 also plays a vital role in brain function. That's right. While it's keeping your blood flowing and your skin glowing, it's also helping your brain stay sharp. Talk about multitasking. In terms of recommended intake, men should aim for 16 milligrams per day, while women should aim for 14 milligrams per day, as per the National Institutes of Health. The good news? Niacin is found in a wide range of foods, from chicken and tuna to lentils and avocados. So there's something for everyone's palate. Of course, just like with vitamin C, balance is key when it comes to niacin intake. Consuming too much niacin can lead to niacin flush, a condition that, while not harmful, can cause your skin to turn red and feel hot. So unless you're going for a tomato red look, stick to the recommended amounts. In the grand scheme of our body symphony, niacin may seem like a humble violin, but as anyone familiar with an orchestra knows, take the violin out and you'll notice something's amiss. It's one of those silent heroes that help your body hit the high notes of health and wellness. So here's to niacin, the unsung hero of circulation and much more. Now let's move on to our next star nutrient. 3. Iron. Welcome to our next stop on the Health Express. Iron, the proverbial strongman of the mineral world. Yes, this is the very same iron that we associate with skyscrapers, bridges, and maybe even your grandmother's favorite cast iron skillet. But today we're here to discover the more, shall we say, gentle side of iron, specifically its indispensable role in maintaining our health and especially in boosting circulation to our legs and feet. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. Iron is a key player in the production of hemoglobin, a protein in your red blood cells that helps carry oxygen from your lungs to all parts of your body, including, you guessed it, your legs and feet. Think of hemoglobin as the postal service of your body, and iron is the fuel that keeps the mail trucks running. Without enough iron, the oxygen delivery to various parts of your body can get slowed down, leading to reduced circulation. But with enough iron, it's smooth sailing, or should we say flowing all the way. But iron doesn't stop at just boosting circulation. It's also pivotal for growth and development, making it especially vital during periods of rapid growth like pregnancy and adolescence. So if you thought your teenage craving for those iron-rich steaks was just a phase, well, your body might have been onto something. What's more, iron also plays a crucial role in immune function. If you've been wondering how to armor up against all those pesky germs floating around, well, you need to look no further than iron. It aids in the proliferation and maturation of immune cells, especially lymphocytes, which are your body's first line of defense against pathogens. And let's not forget its contribution to maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Remember, beauty isn't just skin deep, and iron is proof of that. So, how much iron should you aim to include in your daily diet? According to the National Institutes of Health, men and postmenopausal women should aim for about 8 milligrams per day, while premenopausal women should aim for 18 milligrams per day due to the loss of iron during menstruation. You can find iron in both animal and plant foods. Meat, especially red meat, poultry, and fish, are rich in a type of iron called heme iron, which your body absorbs more efficiently. Plant-based sources like lentils, beans, and spinach contain non-heme iron. Consuming these with a source of vitamin C, like a squeeze of lemon juice, can enhance your body's absorption of iron. Remember though, there's a flip side to every coin, and it's no different with iron. While it's a true powerhouse in terms of benefits, too much iron can lead to a condition known as iron overload, which can cause damage to organs like your heart and liver. So it's crucial to find the right balance. In summary, iron is more than just the stuff of superheroes and skyscrapers. It's an everyday hero, silently working in the background to keep your blood flowing, your body growing, and your defenses glowing. Now, are you ready to move on to the next wonder nutrient on our list? 4. Vitamin E. It's time for a drum roll, because next up on our star-studded nutrient lineup is vitamin E. If this were a high school yearbook, vitamin E would undoubtedly be voted most popular. Known for its health and beauty benefits, it's the secret ingredient in many of your skincare products. But what you might not know is that vitamin E also has a leading role in improving your circulation, particularly in your legs and feet. Let's embark on the vitamin E extravaganza, shall we? Vitamin E is an antioxidant, which means it loves to mingle with the bad guys in your body, aka free radicals, and neutralize them. But why is this important for your circulation? Well, these free radicals can damage your cells and blood vessels, impeding the smooth flow of blood. So vitamin E is like that popular kid in school who helps keep things calm by dealing with the troublemakers. Moreover, vitamin E has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, again promoting better blood flow. So not only is vitamin E making your skin glow, but it's also ensuring that your legs and feet are well supplied with the oxygen and nutrients they need. Now, vitamin E isn't a one-trick pony. Apart from circulation and skincare, it has a few other tricks up its sleeve. One of these is boosting your immune function. Your immune system needs all the help it can get to ward off invading germs, and vitamin E is there to lend a hand. Plus, it's been found to play a role in maintaining good eye health. So if you've been squinting at your screen, you might want to check your vitamin E intake. It's like a pair of invisible glasses that help keep your vision sharp. In terms of the recommended daily intake, the National Institutes of Health suggests that adults aim for 15 milliliters of vitamin E per day. You can find vitamin E in various foods like almonds, spinach, and sweet potatoes. So whether you have a sweet tooth or prefer to keep things savory, there's a vitamin E source for you. In conclusion, vitamin E is not just the darling of the beauty industry, it's a powerhouse nutrient that keeps your blood flowing, your immune system glowing, and your eyesight sharp. 5. Vitamin B6. All right, folks? Get ready, because the next star of our nutrient hit parade is none other than vitamin B6. This multitasking nutrient is an unsung hero of sorts. You may not hear about it as often as some of the other vitamins, but that doesn't make it any less of a superstar in the realm of health. So, how does vitamin B6 boost circulation in your legs and feet, you might wonder? Well, vitamin B6 has a pretty important job when it comes to your blood. It's involved in over 100 enzyme reactions, most of which are related to protein metabolism. But here's the kicker. It also plays a vital role in the production of hemoglobin, the protein in your red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. More hemoglobin means better blood flow, including to those often neglected legs and feet of yours. Vitamin B6 also partners with fellow B vitamins B9 and B12 to control homocysteine levels in the blood. And why should you care about homocysteine? Well, high levels of this amino acid can lead to inflammation and damage to your blood vessels, impeding circulation. So vitamin B6 helps keep this troublemaker in check, ensuring your blood flows smoothly. But don't think vitamin B6 is a one-trick pony. Apart from circulation, it plays an essential role in brain health. It helps produce neurotransmitters, the chemicals that allow brain cells to communicate with each other. In short, vitamin B6 helps keep your mental gears running smoothly. And let's not forget its role in immune function. Vitamin B6 aids in the production of lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell that helps protect your body against infection. So, in the battle against germs, vitamin B6 is one of your frontline warriors. As for how much of this multitasking nutrient you need, the National Institutes of Health recommends 1.3 milligallon per day for adults up to age 50, and slightly more for those over 50 due to changes in how the body absorbs vitamins with age. You'll find vitamin B6 in a variety of foods, including poultry, fish, potatoes, and non-citrus fruits, so getting your daily dose should be a breeze. So there you have it, folks. Vitamin B6, your brain's best friend, your immune system's ally, and the unsung hero of your circulatory system. Now let's move on to our final nutrient in this journey, shall we? 6. Magnesium. Buckle up, because it's time to bring this nutrient journey home with our final star, magnesium. If vitamins and minerals were superheroes, magnesium would undoubtedly be the versatile shapeshifter, the one with a myriad of powers that leaves you wondering, is there anything it can't do? From supporting bone health to maintaining your heartbeat, magnesium does it all, including, of course, improving circulation to your legs and feet. Let's delve into the magic of magnesium, shall we? Firstly, this mighty mineral is known for its muscle-relaxing properties. It aids in the relaxation of both the blood vessels and the muscles surrounding them, making it easier for blood to flow through. So you can think of magnesium as the world's tiniest yoga instructor, teaching your blood vessels the art of relaxation and flexibility. But that's not all. Magnesium also helps keep your blood pressure in check, which is essential for optimal blood flow. So if your blood pressure's been playing a game of hopscotch, it might be time to invite magnesium to the party. Now, magnesium isn't just a master of circulation, it also plays a critical role in your overall bone health. It works hand in hand with calcium to support the structure and strength of your bones and teeth. So if you want to keep your skeleton happy and healthy, magnesium is your go-to. And let's not forget about its crucial role in energy production. Magnesium is involved in more than 300 biochemical reactions in your body, many of which are related to energy production. So if you're feeling more like a sloth than a cheetah, your magnesium levels might be to blame. As for the recommended daily intake of this all-star nutrient, the National Institutes of Health recommends about 400 to 420 milligallars per day for men and 310 to 320 milligallars per day for women. You can find magnesium in foods like green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. So there's no shortage of ways to invite magnesium to your dinner table. And there you have it, folks. We ventured through the vast landscape of vitamins and minerals, spotlighting the mighty six that help improve circulation in your legs and feet. Remember, these nutrients aren't just for show. They're integral parts of your journey to better health. They're not just characters in a YouTube video. They're real-life superheroes in your body, ensuring everything runs smoothly and that you're feeling your best from your head to your, you guessed it, your feet. Don't forget, while our body needs these power-packed nutrients, it's all about balance. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to strike that sweet balance and ensure your body gets the nutrients it needs from a variety of wholesome foods. And now the journey doesn't end here. Oh no.